Hello and welcome to Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. So, today on Chef Carter's Cooking Corner, I am doing a 30-minute meal using fresh vegetables and smoked beef sausage. So, stick around.
Babe, I love you so. I want you to know that I miss your love the minute you walk out that door. Please don't go. Don't go. I'm begging you to stay. Please don't go. Don't go. Don't go away. I love that song. Don't you? You know what song it is? Ooh. We had an escapee! Guards! Go get him!
Come, Rex. Look, Rex. Come get him.
Rex is not going to eat a squash.
Are you sure?
Yep. Babe, I love you so. I want you to know. Thanks for picking that up for me. That I'm gonna miss your love the minute you walk out that door. Dang, I got another escapee. I'll get him. He's by my foot.
Did you eat that, Rex?
No, he didn't eat no raw squash.
I know my dog did.
Oh, buddy.
Once you have your beef sausage cut up, you want to brown it in a skillet. I put just a little bit of oil in there, and that oil will be for both browning the sausage and for the vegetables. And you really don't need a lot of oil because the meat will render some fat as well. Once the meat is brown, you want to remove it from the pan before you add the vegetables. Add the vegetables to the skillet and you want to cook them until they are done. Once the vegetables are done, you will add the sausage back into the pan. You also want to season the vegetables with a little Italian herbs, as you can see here, salt, pepper, whatever you like. And then dinner is done. And as I said, this takes less than 30 minutes. Alright, well, thank you for stopping by Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. Remember to like, subscribe, share, stick around and watch more videos, and I'll see you next time. Take care, everyone.